Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your earbuds EARFUN Air 2 using application. You have to start by open EARFUN Audio app. And of course you need to add your earbuds to the application, then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds and then scroll down. And right here we have Find Headphones. Click at this line and you can play a sound for the left or right earbuds or for both of them. So you need to select first, let's say I wanna play it for the left earbud, and then click at the slider near to play sound. And now it starts play song. But you cannot now add the right one. You need to disable sound and then add the right one if you want to. And then click it again. And it will increase the volume each time. It not depend of the volume on your phone. To stop play the song, just click one time at the slider if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.